Alright, so here's Wick on an M10-3 for the first time.
Yeah, so ever was wrong and pulled the trigger, and then he had a copy. He looks like a toddler.
He's got it.
I got to keep the bullet, so I still have the bullet.
A lot of people don't get it that fast. He's threading the needle between chairs. Yeah, but it's already getting down there, getting the wobbles worked out.
You are doing that. I was doing that on purpose. Easy.
All right, now he's got it. Now it's not fun anymore. He's not going to crash anymore.
Now you got to do backwards now.
I guess I got in front of where he was going.
No, I did that on purpose. That was all planned.
Okay. Posting it to Marty's group.
Put it in.
Recording video and got that going and recording that video with microphone on. Okay, and a triple click will lock my screen so I can leave that on, but ain't no fun unless I got somebody in front of me to see. So I'm trying to go slow so that somebody can be like, oh my God, I passed Roger. And then I get to pass them back, except for at great speed, great risks with bodily injury. So when you see that percentage of my PWM frequency, my speed is down little on the bottom. So anyway, nobody's passing me. Kato on my tail. So he's got straight line balls. Yep, that way. I got my flashlight out too late. Holy crap! I thought that must be Kato behind me. I was going fast, Don! Damn, girl! I don't know how fast I was going, but I must have been going almost 50. I have telemetry. All will be clear when I put it up later. Mario. Okay, well, I think Don could now kick my ass if I was on my Sherman. At least in a straight line. I still think I got the corner crown. I think I'll let her pass me, because she is nuts, although she has no nuts. Except now, what's the big deal? Woo, I caught a girl. Now, keep an eye on your beeps and your helmet, Don. They lag, they lag. I think that's everybody. Everybody.
Good one.
See you around. Days got lost. I said, ooh, Rumpelstiltskin. You say you want to get in my bands? I said, move me, groove me, because he ain't no average groupie. Oh my God, I forgot. I'm recording video with audio. Oh my God. It's like I'm riding behind Fletcher. You see him up there wearing like mechanic overalls? If you know Fletcher, you know what I mean. Oh, it's Chaplin. No overalls, pants are different than the shirt. Even white boys got a shout. Maybe got back. Something with some sort of booty, I don't recall. It is really hard to see this trail. there's anybody ahead of me or not. Slowing down won't help me find out, but it'll help me get to the pizza place with battery to get back, but I guess I don't really need that. Probably the best time I've made it down the Santa Ana River Trail, and doing it in the dark is kind of dumb because the trail tends to disappear at parts. Right here, it's plain as day with reflective paint. Oh yeah! Let's see here. Let's get that little beefy majigger beeping. On your left. That's how we do it. Always announce. Turning off my flasher because it's distracting here in my cockpit. Funny story about the origin of the term cockpit. You see, there was this mythical beast that ate a giant plum. And inside the plum was a pit. And inside that pit was a chicken that was a boy. And that's all bullshit. So, I'll let you draw your own conclusions. I don't know. Money. Is Don ahead of us?
Behind us.
Okay.
That's her.
I thought, I'm gonna give up on finding Dawn. I'm like, oh, there she is. This is off of my list for good night ride trails. Going north was fine. Going south, there's no reflective paint on the trail, and there's a lot of these other like dirt paths, and I almost got sucked onto them a couple times. So that's I don't know if it would be a disaster, but it wouldn't be good, especially if there's like weird holes or anything in the trail. So now let's see if Dawn walks away from Kato. And if she does, then I will take chase. She's dancing. Looks like Kato is going, and then Dawn leans into it. My beeps. I'm a little worried to stay close to Dawn at these speeds because she pushes hard, but those PWMs sneak up on you at high speed. One little bump. And you take a dump. Can't do that. He shut the door on her. She's got to use the beeper. Why the hell would he do that? We ain't racing, and he's trying to trade paint. Cannot rely on my PWM beeper because for some reason when I connect to this wheel it puts my volume all the way down, so I don't get any notifications or anything. So if my mama's trying to call me, sorry mom, I can't hear the phone ringing. Kato signaled the curve to the left, which is good because I've seen people go up that part before, Marcus, and anyway, things happen. I believe we are now approaching Moon Park. It's cool. I blew one turn also. Dan takes the lead. This is Moon Park. All right, when I'm not recording, first is fine. But when I'm recording, I don't want to be first. I want to be like second or thereabouts. Fuck.
Yo.
Master down. I don't even know where it is. Fuck, man. There's the Master. 2 wheels went down, but that wheel is toast. Fuck. Jose, your wheel looks good.
Pick it up. Give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Yeah, man.
Find his wheel.
His wheel is over there, but it is not going home.
Oh, it's not, dude.
Yeah, let's just collect stuff. I'll get that later. That's the wheel. I saw things in the air 20 feet falling down as I was coming into this. 20 freaking feet. It's almost stupid to collect this shit, but that's what we need right there. Let me grab that.
Oh, damn.
The wheel is straight.
No, I was trying to slow down because Roger was doing the slow down sign, and then
We just got super crazy, man. We're fucking hitting speeds that I never hit before. Oh snap, dude, that thing.
I'm laying it down.
There's disconnect of the batteries, right?
I didn't disconnect anything, but
No, I'm just saying.
yeah,
it
we should check it out.
Like, cause any shorts or anything like that, right? So which ones would be like these?
Well,
right here, right?
if you unplug any one of them.
Okay.
Just unplug it and now nothing's connected because the batteries are all in series. My hands are free. I got it.
Shit. There you go. Just that one.
That's all you need.
Really? Just
Yeah,
that one? Really?
just that one.
Everything's moving, all right? You hit your head? You hit your head? You hit your head?
I don't get how the hell we can't keep up with Dawn when she's on a frickin' Sherman Max.
Did Dawn already?
Dawn left, I think. She's turning around, coming back maybe.
I was trying to catch up. Look, that's why I wear pants, bro. Go down? Yeah. Go through. You ran into Kato, I think. What was it? Were you up there with cut off? I was in that. Cut out though?
I don't know.
It's the word, but it's hard to know. I got it on video. But I saw parts coming down from the sky.
Oh, here.
Ah, okay. Cool.
I think that's his.
Yeah, and there's a whole bunch of shit all over the ground that must have been his also. Screwdriver. Ugh.
There's lotion over there.
I know, I don't think I want that lotion.
Oh.
This. Fuck, there's gonna be shit inside these rocks that we're not gonna be able to get. I saw things falling from the sky.
Yeah, you guys are fucking booking it. I took the wrong turn with Dawn and she fucking took off.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, here we go. Now we can find our dicks.
Just drop it in the bag.
I think that's all I can see.
Yeah, but
Sure, everything's really replaceable. So.
yeah. So I'm guessing this is his also. Tire sealant if it's sealed, but put it there.
Yeah.
Fucking, this is a cherry tree with cherries.
Is that real cherries? Or
That's like, I think, edible
just cherries?
cherries.
Should I try them or will I die?
I don't think you would die, otherwise they would remove the tree. Yeah, I know, especially those homeless people, but it's not deep fried enough.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Well, without tools, though.
Yeah, the bag was open. We were collecting all the stuff around it. I don't.
Look at that.
Yeah. There was things in the rocks. We were going around the rocks looking for stuff.
Thank you, that's what he's looking for. But did you see it real? Who opened it? It just opened up like that?
What do you mean opened up? Oh yeah, I picked up the motherboard.
That's what happened though? Holy God.
Yeah,
I don't want a master.
Oh, she can
That's why you gotta lead with a jab, son. Martial hair art.
But so Lydia, I mean, like this, I'm pretty sure is his. But it's just
Yeah, I go to court. We wanted the people when they went flying. There's something right there.
that box. I don't think so.
There's a lighter. I don't know if that's Kato's. I doubt it.
I doubt it.
No, the lighter, yeah, it's his. He uses it for other reasons. He uses it to shrink wrap.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, that's his.
Not broken windows, right?
Yeah, thank you. Roger, was there something else too, like a pump too?
A what?
Like a little bike pump or something? Holy
I did not see the pump. It's probably
I'm so glad it didn't happen
still
on
in
the
the wheel.
riverbed, like on the
Yeah.
other thing. So that's so scary.
Yeah, I'm stopping my here. Wait, let me. You think Kato wants to be interviewed before the...
That's from the last one. That's not me.
Well, I'll send you the video, Kato. But I don't know what it's going to show. It'll just be, because everything gets so small on the video, it'll be like a big old ball of dust.
Especially in the dark.
Yeah. Okay, so here's the Kato aftermath. So he's got a lot of ventilation now that he didn't have before. So we can see his legs and both legs. I swear his phone looks worse than before, but it's never looking that good.
Sorry, forearm.
Oh shit, you got some road rash on your back. I could see in there.
You see your bones.
No, but yeah, it's a little shredded. Your phone is following you around in a circle, right? Okay. Just making sure. Okay, so anyway, and the wheel didn't fare as well as Kato, so the motherboard tray popped open and he lost the display. The motherboard itself is still in there, and I bet it's okay. Yeah, I would bet that there are yeah, see that there? That's cracked. But yeah, so motherboard tray. That's the entire frickin' assembly right there. So easy to change too. So, batteries look intact. He had a little dent on his rim over there. The thing ended up on a bunch of boulders. The seat got all torn up. Trolley handle got destroyed. Oh, did okay. People were asking, is that a loss? No, that wheel is repairable. I only know because I repaired one in similar condition that came from Dan. I think so. I think we're going to Tilted Kilt. I guess we're done at the Moon Park down here, about 3/4 of the way to Huntington Beach. We're heading back up north and going to hang out at my shop for a while. Just thought I'd get a shot of Lem drinking and driving, or Liam, or Forrest, or whichever. Come on, take another swig. Come on, man, do it, do it. Wait, that's the flashlight. Can't drink that. Other one, other one. Anyway, I think we got the tail end of one. Yeah, it's cold. Let's see, MacArthur, so yeah, we got a good part of the way down, so we got to get back up, and then people will be glad that I turned off the air in the shop. Until then, a little bit of fireworks towards the end of the ride. Yeah, there were a lot of fireworks during the ride also. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. May I have another? Grade, where the hell am I going? Okay. Failing grade. Slow down too much for grade. But yeah, man, this is disorienting at night. Looks like we came by just in time. That smells good. I think we're gonna have some traffic on the way out of here though.